Sophie and the Wonders of the Solar System. Plot summary. Sophie was a curious, bright-eyed 10-year-old girl who loved stargazing. Every night, she would sit on her rooftop with her telescope, gazing at the stars and wondering about the mysteries of space. One evening, as she peered through her telescope, something extraordinary happened. Her telescope turned into a magical portal, and she was sucked up into the stars. When Sophie opened her eyes, she found herself floating in space, surrounded by planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. A friendly robotic guide named Nova appeared, hovering beside her. "Welcome, Sophie. I'm Nova, your guide to the wonders of the solar system," said the robot in a cheerful voice. "Let's take a cosmic adventure and learn about the planets and other incredible things in our solar neighborhood." The adventure begins. 1. The Sun, our star. Nova explained that the Sun was the heart of the solar system, a massive ball of burning gas. Sophie was amazed as the Sun glowed brightly in front of them. "The Sun is huge. It's about 109 times the size of Earth," Nova explained. "It gives us light and warmth and keeps everything in our solar system in orbit. Without the Sun, life on Earth wouldn't be possible." Sophie learned that the Sun's energy comes from nuclear fusion, where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing incredible energy. 2. Mercury, the speedy planet. Next, they zoomed past the closest planet to the Sun, Mercury. Sophie saw the planet's rocky surface and the craters left by meteors. "Mercury is super fast," said Nova. "It takes just 88 Earth days to orbit the Sun. It's also the smallest planet in our solar system, and its days are incredibly long. One day on Mercury is as long as 59 Earth days." Sophie noticed that the planet had no atmosphere, making it extremely hot during the day and freezing cold at night. 3. Venus, the hot and stormy twin. Sophie and Nova traveled next to Venus, which was covered in thick clouds. Nova explained that Venus was very similar to Earth in size but very different in other ways. Venus has a thick atmosphere made of carbon dioxide, which traps heat, Nova explained. "That's called the greenhouse effect, and it makes Venus hotter than Mercury, even though Venus is farther from the Sun. The temperature on Venus can reach up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead." Sophie shivered at the thought but was fascinated by how the planet's thick clouds created a harsh, stormy environment. 4. Earth, our home. Nova and Sophie zoomed past Earth, their home planet. Sophie felt a sense of pride as they flew over forests, oceans, and cities. "Earth is the only planet we know of that has life," said Nova. "It has the perfect conditions,